Next up is germanium. Germanium is atomic number 32. It is a member of the carbon group, along with silicon, tin, lead, the synthetic element flerovium, and of course carbon. It is a metalloid or semi-metal. Germanium has a melting point of 1,721 degrees Fahrenheit and a boiling point of 5,131 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a density of 5.5 grams per cubic centimeter. It's pretty hard, having a Mohs hardness of 6, though like other hard elements, germanium is quite brittle. Germanium is one of the few elements to expand when it freezes. Silicon is another, as is germanium's neighbor gallium. This is germanium right here. As you can see, it has kind of a greenish tint to it. Germanium shares many properties with its relative silicon. Being a semiconductor, it was once used in combination with arsenic or other elements and used as a transistor in various electronic applications. It has generally been replaced with other cheaper and more abundant alternatives, however. Its main use today is in lenses of cameras and microscopes as germanium oxide. It is sometimes used in silver alloys that keep silver from tarnishing. It's sometimes used as a catalyst and in fluorescent lamps. Germanium is non-toxic, but it has no biological role. Germanium is quite rare. It is the 55th most common element in the Earth's crust. It is usually found in small quantities alongside more common elements in ores. It was one of the elements that were predicted by Mendeleev. He called it ecosilicon and said it would have a density of 5.5 grams per cubic centimeter and an atomic weight of 70. Per usual, he was pretty close. Germanium was first isolated in 1886 by German chemist Clemens Winkler. He was originally going to call the new element neptunium, but he settled on germanium, naming it after his homeland. Neptunium would, of course, end up being given to a different element that was discovered later on. So that's germanium for you. Hopefully you learned something by watching this video and looking at my little piece of germanium here. It's pretty interesting. And I will see you next time. So long. Thank you very much.